In this clip, we're going to talk about covering some electronics before you clean your engine. Now, this particular engine here has a distributor. Before you take it down to the local car wash and spray your degreaser or tire cleaner, they're the same chemical, on the motor, you're going to want to take and cover your distributor. Just take your typical plastic bag and slip it over the top of the distributor. What you're going to do there is just aid it in keeping water from getting inside the cap itself. If water does get inside there, it's not going to want to run right. It may misfire. It may not even start. So make sure you seal that off. Just give it a little extra help. And there's one more component you're going to want to give a little protection to, is the vehicle's main fuse box, located over here on this particular vehicle. And just take and cover it up just to give it a little added protection. Now, as long as you don't directly blast these components with your sprayer, it should be okay. And what you're going to want to do is head down to the car wash and spray the engine down with the engine degreaser or the tire cleaner. Let it sit for a few moments and then hose it off. The trouble with oil leaks is they always run downhill. Once you service your valve cover gasket, you may have additional leaks further down the engine. So it's a good idea to take and clean it up. It helps you when you're working on it. It's not such a dirty job, and it will help you detect other leaks on the engine.